thirsty, he irrigates. When I'm lonely, he appreciates. When I'm bored, he fascinates.
All right.
When I get sick, he medicates. When I get moneyless, he donates. When I get shelterless, he accommodates. When I get weak, he invigorates. When I get in trouble, he investigates. And when the devil comes around, he makes the devil vacate because he is my advocate. You're doing a wonderful job over here.
Yes.
I'm about to tell you more. And you know what? The great joy about life. You know, I was thinking today. Now, for those you don't know, I preach a little bit. And today we spoke at just a little bit. And I preached this morning a little message. You may not have heard it before, a little message called Sticks and Stones.
Oh, yeah.
And what I use as my foundation, Sticks and Stones, the nursery rhyme that some of us grew up with, I scratch my head. Because how would you, some of these nursery rhymes, they were scary, and they were vicious, and they were violent. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling out. A rockabye baby in the treetop. As the wind blows, the cradle will rock. And when the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. And down comes baby, cradle and all. 3 blind mice. See how they run. And they all ran into the farmer's wife, who had a butcher knife, cut off of their tails. Have you ever seen such a sight in your life as 3 blind? And I said, now who put these things together to tell babies about before they go to bed? And the joy of it is, we thank God because we're living in the time that God can do more for us and more for people than has ever been done before. I told you the last time I was here, because my memory is just as good as it was the last time I was here. I was saying this again and saying it's bad repeating. For me, long after Beyonce done lost her wiggle. Some of y'all don't even know who I'm talking about.
I know what you're talking about.
Long after Beyonce done lost her wiggle. Long after she done stopped shaking it like a salt shaker. You need to know your makeup. Long after Coolio and Busta Rhymes went away and combed their hair, you better know God will still be there. Long after Little Kim that wouldn't put some clothes on, you need to know that God will still be going on and on. Long after 50 Cent won't be worth a nickel. If you don't know God, baby boy, baby girl, you're already in a pickle. Long after outcasts have been brought back in, you better make this God I'm talking about your best friend. Long after Ludacris made his last twist, you ain't going nowhere unless you listen to this. Long after Eminem done gone from the 8th mile to the last mile. If you don't know Jesus, you ain't got no reason to smile. No. And long after Kanye done had his say, in your life, he better be the one that goes ahead and makes your day. The greatest joy we have is that we know him. And so my point was that I was stressing because I was going through what I was saying, because if I didn't say what I had to say, you say you didn't say nothing. But I did say something, but you just didn't hear it because you heard it a little slower than you can think about retaining it. The greatest joy about life is to know you are a designer original.
All right.
There's never been another one like you on the planet. When God made you, he was just showing off. Would you do me a favor? I know we're not in church, but we are in church.
We are in church.
We're in church, but we're not in church. Now, I hope you get that right, because we had a celebration. But would you do me a favor? I've learned, and the whole point of this morning is sticks and stones. The nursery rhyme used to go like this: sticks and stones will bones, but words will never hurt me, and that's a lie.
Yes, it is.
Because do you not know they rewrote that nursery rhyme? And they said this: sticks and stones may not break my bones, but words will shatter my soul. If you don't get with the right people, and I was saying that there are 4 things that you need to rationalize and analyze to be with the right people. And I use from an analogy and an illustration about a plane. Did you not know that when they came up with the principle of how a plane flies, there are 4 things that make or creates the ability for a plane to fly? First, you must have thrust, you must have lift, you must have weight, and you must have drag. If you ever make a decision in life, God gave us the greatest gift there is, the to open our mouths and declare who we are. And I said this before a moment ago. You are a design original. There's never been another one like you on the planet.
Never will.
And never can be. And sometimes we have to say, thank you, Lord.
Yeah, really.
Can I say this? The power of words. Would you look at a neighbor and say, just look at somebody, or just say it out loud to yourself, and just repeat to show you how powerful words are. Say these words to a neighbor. When God made you,
When God made you,
he was just showing off.
he was just showing off.
Look at another neighbor and say, girl, or boy, a man, a woman. Y'all. I like that. Y'all. Say to y'all. May joy
May joy
stick to your face
stick to your face
like Vaseline.
like Vaseline.
Let's try another one. Let's try one more. May sorrow
May sorrow
forget your address.
forget your address.
May pain
May pain
forget what you look like.
forget what you look like.
And this is the one that always gets people clapping. And may your pockets
May your pockets
become magnets
become magnets
for $100 bills.
for $100 bills.
Now you
receive
think
that.
that what I just said was just killing time and filibustering. But do you not know God said you have not because you ask